Step inside the specialized facility where the standard issue combat uniforms for the United States military are manufactured. The process begins with massive rolls of specialized Ripstop fabric, engineered to withstand the harshest of combat environments. Precision machinery spreads dozens of layers of fabric perfectly flat to prepare for the high-volume cutting process. Advanced software creates a digital marker to maximize fabric use and ensure every camouflage pattern aligns with standards. Computer-controlled blades slice through 50 layers of fabric at once, creating identical pieces for the assembly line. Pieces are bundled and tagged to ensure that every sleeve and pocket matches the correct jacket size. The assembly begins with reinforcement stitching on high-wear areas like elbows to provide the necessary battlefield durability. Hook and loop fasteners are applied for name tapes and rank insignia, according to strict military design specifications. Cargo pockets are attached using double needle stitching to ensure they can hold heavy mission essential gear securely.
Infrared identification tabs are integrated into the uniform sleeves to help distinguish friendly forces in low light conditions.
High-pressure steam presses set the shape of the collars and cuffs for a professional and crisp appearance. Skilled operators join the main body panels using heavy-duty nylon thread designed to resist rot and mildew.
Bar tacking is applied to all stress points to prevent the fabric from tearing under extreme physical exertion.
Heat-resistant buttons are attached securely to ensure the uniform remains functional in the most extreme combat temperatures. Every uniform moves through a rigorous quality control check to identify any loose threads or stitching errors immediately. Fabrics are tested for near-infrared signature management to ensure soldiers remain less visible to enemy night vision. Some uniforms are treated with permethrin, providing a long-lasting defense against disease-carrying insects in tropical environments. Flame-resistant variants of the ACU are cured in specialized ovens to ensure the protective properties remain active.
Hand trimming provides the final touch, ensuring no stray threads interfere with the movement of tactical gear components.
Permanent labels containing care instructions and sizing data are heat-sealed to ensure they remain legible through laundering. Finished uniforms are folded with mechanical precision to maximize space during shipment to global military distribution centers. Automation handles the final palletizing process as thousands of uniforms prepare for delivery to soldiers across the world.
The operational camouflage pattern is the result of years of testing to provide universal concealment across various terrains.
Laboratory tests ensure that the uniform maintains its shape and color after repeated washings in harsh field conditions. Consistent thread tension is vital for maintaining the structural integrity of the long seams on the combat trousers. High-quality zippers are installed with reinforced stitching to prevent failure during high-intensity combat or rescue operations. Every detail, from the pen pockets to the adjustable cuffs, must meet the exact military clothing specifications provided. Fabric utilization is tracked in real time to ensure the factory operates with maximum efficiency and minimal waste. Steam dummies inflate inside the jackets to smooth out any remaining wrinkles before the final packaging process begins. Uniformity across thousands of units is essential to ensure that tactical gear fits every soldier the same way. Internal pockets for foam knee pad inserts are added to protect soldiers during crawling or kneeling maneuvers. Ripstop fabric uses a special crosshatch pattern of thick threads to stop a small hole from turning. This massive production line can produce thousands of complete uniform sets every week to support the troops. Polybagging protects the uniforms from dust and moisture during their time in storage at the supply depots. Logistics and inventory management keep the production line moving 24 hours a day without any interruptions. Specialized coatings can be applied to provide water resistance for uniforms destined for wet or snowy operational environments. Digital tracking of defects allows for immediate corrections on the line, ensuring that quality remains at its peak.
The seat of the trousers is reinforced with extra fabric and double stitching for maximum durability.
Adjustable waist drawstrings ensure a secure and comfortable fit for soldiers operating in high-intensity physical situations.
Every bundle is tracked via a central computer system to monitor production speed and identify any bottlenecks.
Color consistency is vital to ensure that soldiers are not easily spotted due to a misaligned camouflage. The bi-swing back design provides soldiers with the necessary freedom of movement for aiming and climbing.
Flat pocket flaps prevent snagging on equipment and maintain the professional appearance required by the military standards.
Plastic tips prevent the drawstrings from fraying and make them easier to thread through the uniform's various channels.
The factory recycles all metal and fabric waste to minimize environmental impact and maintain a sustainable operation.
Strategic planning ensures that the military has enough uniforms to support both training and active deployment rotations.
Specialized fire-resistant thread is used in flight suits and combat vehicle crewman uniforms for extra protection.
The camouflage webbing is integrated into the uniform for attaching tactical lights or other small mission-essential items. From whole rolls of fabric to stacked boxes, and the journey of the military uniform is a masterpiece.
Regular machine maintenance prevents downtime and ensures the stitching remains consistent and strong throughout the production shift.
Proper placement of national and unit identification is a critical part of the uniform's final assembly process.
Computerized grading ensures that every size from small to extra large maintains the same tactical functionality and fit.
Climate control in the warehouse is essential to protect the natural cotton fibers from degrading during long storage.
The mandarin collar can be worn up to protect the neck from debris. Precision openings are stitched into the sleeves to allow for the easy insertion of protective foam elbow pads.
Fabric weight is monitored to balance the need for durability with the requirement for a lightweight uniform.
Providing a wide range of sizes ensures that every soldier has a uniform that fits their specific build. Accurate order fulfillment is necessary to ensure that military units receive the exact supplies they need for deployment.
Triple stitching in high-stress areas provides the extra strength needed for extreme physical activities on the battlefield.
Managing infrared reflectance is a core part of the camouflage's ability to hide soldiers from modern electronic sensors.
Adjustable cuffs allow soldiers to secure their sleeves over gloves or roll them up for better cooling. High-efficiency cutting is the foundation of a cost-effective production line for the large-scale military contracts.
Real-time inventory tracking ensures that the factory always has enough raw material to keep production lines moving.
The waistband is designed to support the weight of heavy tactical belts loaded with mission-essential equipment today.
A final steam treatment ensures the uniforms arrive at the supply depot in a professional and ready state. Matching the thread color perfectly to the camouflage pattern is essential for maintaining the uniform's visual concealment. Preventing fabric stretch during the spreading process is key to ensuring that every cut piece is the correct. Ankle drawstrings allow soldiers to blouse their trousers over their combat boots for a neat and secure fit.
Reinforced backing ensures that name tapes and branch tapes remain securely attached throughout the life of the jacket.
Maintaining a safe work environment is a top priority for the factory management team during every shift.
Checking needle quality prevents small fabric tears and ensures the stitching remains smooth and strong on every uniform.
Global logistics networks ensure that soldiers have access to fresh uniforms wherever they are stationed in the world.
Dye bath analysis ensures that every batch of OCP fabric meets the strict color and reflectance standards required.
Accessory pouches and other gear are manufactured using the same high-quality standards as the primary combat uniforms.
The central rank insignia area is designed for easy visibility and secure attachment of the soldier's rank.
Pallet weight is monitored to ensure transport trucks are loaded within safe limits for long-distance highway travel.
Compressing fabric scrap into bales makes it easier to transport for recycling into other textile-based products.
Regular calibration of the cutting machinery is necessary to maintain the high levels of precision required for uniforms.
Reinforced pocket openings prevent tearing from repeated use of pens and other small mission essential tools today.
Automated conveyors increase efficiency by moving finished goods through the factory without the need for manual transport.
Metamerism testing ensures the camouflage pattern remains effective under different lighting conditions, like sun and artificial light.
Secure closures for the knee pad pockets prevent the pads from falling out during intense physical combat training.
Final touch-ups ensure that every uniform sent to the troops is free of any minor visual defects. Supporting the workforce is a key part of maintaining the high levels of productivity needed for military contracts.
High-speed sewing requires specialized needles and thread that can handle the heat generated during the process.
Checking the fabric weave ensures that the Ripstop properties are present throughout every yard of material used. The silhouette of the American soldier starts right here on the production line of this specialized textile facility. Clear labeling ensures that every shipment reaches its destination and is properly inventoried by the military logistics team.
Adjustable waist tabs allow for a fine-tuned fit without the need for a belt in some situations.
Large-scale plotting allows the cutting department to prepare hundreds of uniform pieces with extreme accuracy and speed. Every zipper must move smoothly and stay locked to provide the reliable performance needed in a combat environment.
Roll folding is used for some uniform variants to prevent permanent creases and save space in tactical bags.
From raw nylon to the finished soldier's gear, and the journey of the military uniform is one of precision. Safety protocols are audited daily to protect the hundreds of workers who keep the production lines running. The final wrap ensures the uniform arrives in factory-new condition for the soldier who will wear it. Experience the amazing precision and dedication required to manufacture the standard issue uniforms of the United States military. Now you have seen the full process of how military uniforms are made in this modern, high-tech,